We're doing this to fulfill our childhood dream of running the Great Wall. Doing something like this, something very difficult, builds strength of character. We've been coming to the Great Wall from a very early age, me from the age of 4 and Tommy from when he was 0. They call it the Great Wall, and that's an understatement. What you see at the tourist sites, it's only a tiny, tiny fraction of it. Constantly reminding ourselves that, you know, it's to soak the journey in, to soak the landscape, the people, the experiences in. We feel a special connection to the structure.